Tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter.
Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today I am show you how to fix Battlefield 4 graphics setting cannot be changed. Let's start this video. Open game. This is the problem. Battlefield 4 graphics setting cannot be changed for 32-bit operating system. How to fix this problem? First, quit game. Open my computer and go document. Open Battlefield 4 and open settings and open this file with notepad. You find overall graphics quality. Overall graphics quality value is 0. You type quality 5 and save. Cancel everything. Open game. The Battlefield 4 graphics settings is unlocked. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time.